comes to a point when you wonder what the best kind of souvenir you can take away from a place like this is. Apart from telling them to shut up. But that tranquil sound there of the waves. Already caught about 2 minutes of it. Yeah, you imagine you loop that, it's quite a nice static noise. Look at those waves, eh? And there's the source of the noise, the Reef family. Look at that. What sort of souvenir do you take away with you? Some of the noise, some pebbles, some sand, tangible things you can look at and remember. Lord only knows when we can come back to a place like this. Thank you, Tories.